Gotcha. So we have the area, which is a measure of the size of the surface or of a region. We have volume, which is a measurement of the size of a body or region in a three-dimensional space. So think of a cup. All right, so hold on, let me get a cup real quick. Alright, so to find out the difference, right? So volume means how much a container can hold in it, right? So this bowl, the volume would be everything on the inside. How much can the bowl hold? Whereas mass is the weight or the measurement of a matter in an object. So it's the weight of the bowl with nothing in it, right? So to measure the weight of the bowl would be mass.
Yeah.
Whereas to measure the volume of the bowl would be what it can hold, right? And then we have temperature. And we know what temperature is, right? It's a measure of how hot or cold something is, right? So Joey, if I wanted to measure how much you weigh, what would that be? That would be your what? Your temperature, your mass, your area, or your volume. If I wanted to measure how much you weigh, what would that be? Yeah. Yeah. What would that be? A. What's after A? M-A-S. Is it S or D?
Mass.
Mass, right? Yeah, it'd be your mass. Your weight would be your mass. Very good, Joe. All right, so if I wanted to see how much the bowl can hold in it, what would that be? That would be what? Can you move your elbow? Okay, what would that be? In volume, right? Dude, that's really good. Yeah, so inside the bowl would be volume. How much you weigh would be mass. So now, Joe, if I wanted to measure the area of something, what would I need to measure? Length? Length? Length times what? Times. Great answer, dude. Yeah, it is length times width, dude. That was a really good answer. All right, so we have area, we have volume, and then temperature. What does temperature measure? H. How? How hot? How hot or hot or new? No. So how hot or what's the other one?
Yeah.
If it's not hot, it's you can put it on the board. If it's not hot, it's yeah, so it measures how hot or cold something is, right?
Yeah.
So like the sun is super hot, whereas the moon is super cold, right? Or ice is super cold. Very good, Jeff. All right, so we're gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna ask you one more question, all right, Jeff? So yesterday we talked about SI, or the scientific units, or scientific system of the units. How is that measured in? It's based on what? The number what? Yes. It's in,
Mm.
mm,
Mm. 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 Mm.
mm,
Mm.
mm. It's in multiples. Multiples of what?
Yeah.
You got it, dude. Look at the board.
Mm.
Multiples of b, e.
Yeah.
It's in multiples of 10, right?
Yeah.
Dude, that's perfect. Yep, and that's the standard way we do things now, right?
Mm.
Alright. I know I said I would give you one more question, but do you mind answering one more for me?
Mm.
And then we'll be done. You're doing so awesome, I feel like we need to keep on going. Alright, so why did we change to this, the standard measurements across the globe?
Mm.
To
Mm.
yes.
Mm.
To stop.
Mm.
And the NRAD, stop getting the giraffe.
Yeah.
G is a giraffe. GIF. F. Stop getting different what? Something R. To stop getting different measurements. Dude, great answer, man. Great job.